everyone, this is Tim here from YourSixStudios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete everything on your Android phone without factory resetting it. So what you want to do is just swipe up from the bottom and go to search and type in files. So you might have files on your phone or my files, both is pretty much similar. Samsung is going to have my files. Files is going to be on like your Google Pixel Motorola's. Then go to each one of these categories on the top. You should have like 6 of them. Got images, for example. Then go to the option in the top right and select everything. So there should be an option for all. Once you select all, you can go delete. That will delete all your pictures. Then go to all your audio files too. Do the same thing. Then select delete. Then go to videos, install APKs, documents, and then your downloads too. So get all 6 of those categories, and you should be able to see them in the trash can. Now on your Google Pixel, you'll have to go to the top left and press the 3 little lines, and then you can see the trash can there. But here's my trash can right here. Make sure to delete everything out of your trash can once you delete it from your phone, and that will permanently delete it. So when you delete it from here, it's not actually deleted yet. So if I go to a picture, for example, we can go ahead and just delete it here. Let's go delete and move to trash. And then in the trash can, we'll have to delete it one more time, and that will delete it from our phone. So that should remove everything from your phone. Now you can go to the top right and go to settings. And then on your Google Pixel phone or Motorola, go to system. But on my phone, I'm going to go to general management. Then scroll on down and you should see an option for reset. Now we're not going to factory reset our phone. We can just go to the reset all settings options. Now on your Google Pixel, you probably won't have this option. But on my Samsung, I do. I can reset all these settings on my phone. And then I can delete everything as well. And then we should be able to factory pretty much reset our phone without deleting everything completely by going to the factory reset option. So it should be pretty thorough. And if you want to reset your home screen too, this is going to be an option that we can do. We can go on down to apps. Let's go to apps. Then we can go to search. Now on your Samsung, this is called One UI Home. So you can type in UI. You can see it right here. Your Google Pixel Motorola's, type in launcher. And then go to whatever it says, Pixel Launcher, Moto Launcher, and then just select it. And then we can reset the home screen real easy. I'll show you how to do that. So I'm going to One UI Home on my Samsung. On your other devices, look for the option that says Launcher. Then going down to Storage. And then we can go to where it says Clear Data. And then we can go back to the home screen. The home screen is going to load again. And boom, it should restore everything. Now if we want to delete all the apps off our phone, then we can do this as well easily in one swoop. We can go to the Google Play Store right here. We go to the top right to your profile. Manage apps on device. We go to manage this device. Now you might have the option in your files as well to delete everything. Otherwise just wait for it to load under here. Then we can go to each app and we can check mark it. Boom, 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 boom. And we can go to the delete option in the top right. And this will delete all the apps off my phone. And then it'll be pretty much like new. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out.